In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Team Create in Roblox Studio. So by enabling Team Create, we can start editing and making games with our friends. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new game or open the game that you want to enable Team Create for. Once you're in your game, click on View in the top navigation, and then click on this option here next to Team Create. Now in the left hand side, you'll see this window called Team Create. Click on Save to Roblox. Make sure Team Create is turned on and enabled. You'll also need to give this a name and a description, and then we can go and press Save. So now in the bottom left hand side, you'll see we're currently a member of this Team Create. So to go and add other people so they can come and also edit and play this game with you, you need to click on the user plus icon in the top navigation, and then start typing in the username of the person that you want to go and add. Once you've added their account, you can then click on this drop down arrow and select the type of permissions that you want to assign this user. Now you need to ensure that this user is currently friends with you on Roblox to be able to edit these permissions. Now click on Save. Now all we need to do is find the URL that we can send to our friends so they can come and join this game. To do that, just open an internet browser and head over to the website roblox.com. Now sign in to your Roblox account and click on Create in the top navigation. Click on Creations in the left panel. Now underneath Experiences, we need to find the game that we want to add other people to. So mine's this one here. I'm going to click on the 3 horizontal dots next to this game and click on Copy URL. Now what you can do is just go and share this URL with whoever you want to go and join your game. They'll be taken over to this page here where they can click on Edit in Studio and they can start editing your Roblox game with you. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.